high-level conceptual data models for database design. Using high-level conceptual data models for database design. Using high-level conceptual data models for database design. The below figure shows. Diagram is visible now clearly. Diagram is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is it? The below diagram shows the different steps of database design process. This is not a ear diagram. This is a concept for ear diagrams. Okay, this diagram. The diagram shows the different steps for database design process. Database design process. Please note down first and take down the diagram first. But to complete this module 1 by another 2 to 3 classes, 2 classes maximum. In this, the first step is called as requirement collection and analysis. First step is called as requirement collection and analysis. Requirement collection and analysis. Then the data requirements are taken down. Followed by functional requirements. And different operations. Can anybody tell me the one more name for these operations usually in the database management systems? One more name for the operations. Anyone out of 37 here who are present here? In bracket you write what you write? Followed by different operations. One more name for these operations. See, there are different terminologies which are interchangeably used. What is the one more name for the term operation?
Applications.
No. Operations. What is an operation indicates here? One more name for the operations.
Functions.
No. Anyone? The correct name or one more name, operations. A set of operations is also called as dash.
Sure.
What is the name that we have given? A set of operations. A set of operations that you perform in the bank database. A set of operations that you perform in the student database. What are those called as? What are the different operations that you perform in the bank database?
Instructions.
No. Anybody? A set of operations. What are the different set of operations that you perform in the bank database? Anybody? Anyone?
Algorithm?
No. Algorithm in the case of programming language. Here we don't write the algorithms, or even we don't draw any flowcharts. Flowcharts here are replaced by ear diagrams. A set of operations are called as what? In the case of database management systems. Okay, you tell me, what are the different set of operations that you perform in the bank database?